Small scale industries. Now this industry obtain raw material from outside and sell their product through traders in local and outside market. Power driven machines are used in this industry and employment opportunity provided to handful of people. Products such as ceramic product, toys, leather items, food items, utensils and furnitures are manufacturing in small scale industries. Large scale industries. These types of industries are characterized by huge capital investments, are driven machines and employment of a large number of people. Raw materials are obtained from outside sources and at times even imported. Finished products are sold in distant market and also in the local markets. Production is highly specialized in nature and there are separate departments for the different operation. Iron and steel factories, textiles mills and petrochemical plants are the example of large scale industries. Now let us learn about different factors which help influencing location of industries. The first will availability of raw materials. What is the first one is availability of raw materials. Availability of raw materials in adequate quantities nearby ensure a regular smooth supply to an industry. Procuring raw materials at irregular intervals can interrupt the smooth running of an industry. An example of sugar industry which we see over here, where the industry is set up among the field that is sugar industry located very close to at some times inside where the sugar cane is being grown. And why it is being done? Because sugar mill tend to use the sugar cane which is cut, and if the sugar cane has to be transported to very far off region, then they tend to dry up. So the amount of sugar can become less if the sugar cane has to be transported to far off region. That is why we often find the sugar mill to be situated amidst the sugar cane industry. All industry required labor and they can be skilled and unskilled. Unskilled labor usually cheap and easily available in densely populated areas. Agro-based industries such as textile and sugar industry are labor intensive, that is, they required a large number of unskilled labor, whereas certain industries required skilled labor such as engineers, managers, technicians. Here we can see how the particular industry is employing a large number of skilled labor, while here we can see agro-based or agricultural practice lead to the employed of unskilled labor. Ability of an efficient transport system, there are very important role to determinations of the industries. Well developed road, railways, networks and ports, even airways help in faster and efficient production as well as reaching out to larger number of product. Therefore, we find that the transport ability play a very important role in determining the location of an industry. Again I repeat, it is a very important role in determining the location of an industry. Industry probably prefer to locate close to the market, help in cutting down the transportation cost, and if the commodities include perishable commodities, if the good include perishable commodities, then nearness to market become very essential. For example, dairy product are perishable good and they have to be located very close to the markets. Capital, it means fund or money to start an industry is very essential. An ability of sufficient amount of capital investment at a particular place determining the setting of an industry. Individuals, that is people who gives loan to government agency, bank, are very important to start an industries, and hence places with prospects of capitals investment enhance the growth of industry. Most of the industry required a large area to set up their industry unit. They preferably establish in areas which are plain, not flood prone, and not very rather on the mountains. Therefore, it is very important to locate an industry in an area which is plain ground, so that it can help in not only reaching out to the people, but labor who will work in this industry can also come to the industry. Industrial locations very easy. So, land is also a very important factor for setting of an industry. Now, industrial unit required economical uninterrupted power supply, and therefore most of the industry prefer to be located in the areas where the source of the power supply is abundant. Here we can see that where Wherever a power supply is available, many industries set up over there. Industries required a large amount of water for several purposes like cooling, washing, etc. Industries such as iron and steel, paper and textile has huge amount of water. A nuclear power station also required huge amount of water for using it as cooling. Therefore, it is very important such industry to be located where there is nearest to the water supply. Therefore, such industry like to be located near river or lakes where there will be uninterrupted with flow of water. Industry are set up their places where the climate is moderate. The cotton textile mill in Mumbai is set up due to the mild climate. The tea plant is situated where the tea garden are and they are normally in the mountainous region. We also find that is better to locate an industry where the temperature are moderate so that people can walk comfortably over there. In very cold place or in very hot places, it is very difficult to work, and most people who want to set up the industry, the setting industry in area where the climate is in extremes. Lastly, government policy play a very important role in setting up the industry. The development of industry depend on government policies of industries, depend on government policy, provision of financial aids subsidized from the government. Support from all this sector help in establishment of industry, and Honorable Prime Minister have expressed on Make in India and emphasis greatly on Digital India. Local to local are also very promising way of making our industry full-fledged and help in providing ground for establishing more and more industries. So today we have learned, and just by being of uses, our country cannot be processed for grooming economic. We have to turn to become vibrating, and or we can say that produces. So next class we can discuss our major industries. Thank you.